On the 1st of June 2025, Ukraine executed a daring and unprecedented drone attack deep within Russian territory, targeting strategic air bases in an operation codenamed Spider's Web. This meticulously planned assault marked a significant escalation in the ongoing conflict, showcasing Ukraine's evolving military capabilities and strategic ingenuity. According to Ukraine's Security Service (SBU), the operation involved concealing explosive-laden drones within the roofs of wooden sheds. These sheds were transported by trucks to the perimeters of 4 Russian airbases. Once in position, the drones were remotely launched, initiating a coordinated strike that reportedly hit 41 Russian warplanes, including a significant portion of Russia's strategic cruise missile carriers. The SBU estimated the damage from the operation at $7 billion, asserting that 34% of Russia's strategic cruise missile carriers were put out of action. President Volodymyr Zelensky praised the operation as an absolutely brilliant outcome and highlighted that it was conducted independently by Ukrainian forces. He noted that the operation took over 18 months to prepare and involved 117 drones, making it Ukraine's longest-range operation to date. The operation's success hinged on meticulous planning and secrecy. The SBU established a nerve center for the operation adjacent to a regional office of Russia's FSB intelligence service, underscoring the boldness of the mission. All operatives involved were extracted from Russia just before the attack commenced, ensuring their safety and maintaining operational secrecy. The international community has taken note of Ukraine's audacious operation. Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen remarked that Ukraine appears to be successfully defending itself, referencing the recent attack on Russian air bases. She emphasized Ukraine's right to self-defense, even if it involves offensive measures, and called for increased efforts to rearm Europe in response to the ongoing threat posed by Russia. The Spider's Web operation comes amid ongoing peace talks between Ukraine and Russia, which have yet to yield significant progress. Russia has presented stringent demands, including territorial concessions and political neutrality, which Ukraine has rejected. In this context, Ukraine's bold military actions serve both as a demonstration of its capabilities and as leverage in diplomatic negotiations. Operation Spider's Web signifies a pivotal moment in the Ukraine-Russia conflict, highlighting Ukraine's strategic innovation and determination. As the situation continues to evolve, the international community watches closely, considering the implications of such operations on the future of warfare and geopolitical stability. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a crucial update. This is Keni Wahid, where world events get the deep dive they deserve. Stay sharp, stay aware, until next time.